Hello, I'm Max Brantley with the Arkansas Times to talk about what's in the news today on Thursday, July the 3rd. You do know, don't you, that this is the first day of a 4-day holiday weekend. At least it looks that way downtown. It's already emptying of cars. The big news today, I think, and it ought to lead news everywhere, are the great economic numbers. More people are working, more jobs have been created, wages are even rising. People are now saying definitively that the recovery has begun and the recession is over. This comes along with a lot of other good news. The stock markets are reaching record high. 6 million more people have health insurance. I guess you can see why President Obama has been voted the worst president since World War II. Things look pretty good. That could play a factor in the coming elections. Elsewhere today, I have learned that the minimum wage campaign will wait until Monday to submit its signatures to the Secretary of State's office. They have enough signatures to qualify for additional verification if some of their signatures are thrown out for being invalid, but they're going to keep petition gathering going this weekend so that they have a good, comfortable cushion going into Monday. I've got a good story in the Arkansas blog today about still further internal squabbling on the Arkansas Supreme Court. There have been some leaks about internal affairs written about on the Arkansas blog. I've now learned that 2 Supreme Court justices wanted to administer lie detector tests to court employees to find out where the leaks are coming from. Bad idea, bad example to set by members of the Arkansas Supreme Court, and perhaps looking the wrong place for sources of information, hint, justices. Elsewhere, I'd encourage you to take a look at the Arkansas Times blog for great stories, one by Benji Hardy on the school employee insurance situation, and by David Ramsey on the continuing development of the private option insurance program in Arkansas. Both great stories that explain these things in great detail. Other news, Cheryl Atkinson, the reporter who left CBS News because of its supposed liberal bias, has been hired by Sinclair Broadcasting. That's news here because they own KETV Channel 7, and Sinclair will encourage its affiliates, which means they definitely will do this, run some of Atkinson's reporting. So look for that to appear locally. Other news, it's a bad day on the roads and elsewhere. A child killed in a car train wreck near Sweet Home. A former high school football star killed in a wreck, perhaps while 2 cars were racing on Interstate 630 this morning. And otherwise, we're hoping for a safe, sane July 4th weekend. I'm Max Brantley. I'll see you next week.